This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, as usual, now let's shift to the gold market. On the gold market, situation is a bit more interesting than on euro currency, at least in the short-term perspective. On the daily time frame, we do not see any changes, so the thoughts that we have announced yesterday and discussed yesterday are the same. So we stand in progress with this big ABCD pattern that have the target right across, right in front of the previous lows. It's around 1180 area. And yesterday was really small trading session. Our major concern in the very short-term perspective is whether the market will show small retracement on the intraday charts and then continue move down, or it will continue move down immediately right after this plunge without any significant retracement. That also could happen because in fact the retracement already has happened by this consolidation, because that was the breakout through this loss. That was also the 618 target of this ABCD pattern, minor target. The market has continued moved lower. So currently we have only intraday minor support area right here. So if even market will not show any small retracement, that will be normal. And now we have the task to understand whether it will happen or not. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see this butterfly, okay, and we said that market probably will continue move lower because this was really too fast action right to the 127 extension. Market could show some respect of this butterfly by the 3-8 retracement, but move probably will continue because that was really fast. And when butterfly shows this fast action to the 127 extension, it usually leads price at minimum to the 1618. That stands approximately around 12.8, 12.9 area. It's right here. Now our major concern stands with this candle, because if market will form here the bearish stop grabber, this will tell us that market definitely will take out of these lows, and that will simultaneously mean downward continuation without any retracement right here. So all eyes on this pattern. This could give us really a big assistance. Even if market will, this will be minor target, but when market will reach it, this probably will also mean the continuation on the daily time frame chart right to the 1180 area. Although market still could show some small retracement from the 1618 extension. That's also possible. But anyway, appearing of the stop grabber here will lead us to taking out these lows first and to the 1209, 1208 area second. That will be a short-term trading plan. On the hourly time frame chart, if market will not form the stop grabber on the hourly time frame chart, we could get here some kind of the head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders pattern. In fact, it will depend on the stop grabber. If market will form it, it simultaneously will erase the head and shoulders. If market will not form it, so trend just will shift bullish here, then it could lead to appearing of the head and shoulders, and as a consequence of this head and shoulders, ABCD retracement to the 1230 area. That is the 3-8 resistance. Okay, that's why you can see the link between the hourly time frame chart and 4-hour time frame chart. Once again, appearing of the stop grabber means taking out of these lows, erasing of the head and shoulders, and move to the 1209, 1208 area. Failure of the market to form here the bearish pattern, to form here the bearish stop grabber, will probably mean will lead market to appearing of the head and shoulders and upward retracement to the 1230. That's the short-term trading plan. So just wait for a couple of hours when this candle will be completed on the 4-hour time frame chart, and let's see what will happen.